in the early morning rain with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home and I miss my loved ones so. In this early morning rain, no place to go. Out on runway number 9, 707 said to go. I'm stuck here in the grass where the cold winds blow. Oh, the liquor tasted good. And the women, they always fast. There she goes, my friend. She'll be rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engines roar. See the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound. Far above the clouds she'll fly. When the morning rain don't fall, the summer always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. When this airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me. Because I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I best be on my way in this early morning rain. No, you can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I best be on my way in this early morning rain.